I'm going to record all the things. Okay, how to log in Oracle. Firstly, we have to understand how to start the Oracle and how to log in. Now Oracle, I have already created a user whose name is student and the password is student. Okay, go to database home page. Now I have to pass the username and password. Okay, and then press on login button. In such a way you can log in. Whatever the username and password provided by your database administrator, you have to log in with that credentials. Okay, whatever the username and password is. Here the username and password provided by the database administrator is student and student. Student is username and password is also student. I have already created it. Now we have to see that how to fire the queries in Oracle. Now move to the SQL part. Here in SQL part you can see a SQL commands section there. We have to click over there. Now we have to write the query here. Whatever the query is, you have to write it. Suppose that if you want to see how many tables are there in this user, then we have to fire a query select star from user underscore tables and semicolon. Okay, then click on the run button. You can see that nothing is there in this user. No table is there for this user because it is blank. You can see here no data found in the result section. Now we have to create a table here. Now the syntax for creating a table, I am going to write the query to create a table. Suppose that if I want to create a table, create table, then table name, what name you want to give to that table. Suppose that if you want to create a table name person, okay, then you have to write a bracket there. Okay, in the bracket you will write all the things there, and with after that you have to specify the semicolon there. This is the syntax to create a table. Now after that you have to specify the name of fields, what attributes you need for the person. Suppose that I want to give person ID, person underscore ID, and what type of what data type it contains. It is number. Number is a data type given in Oracle. Okay, if you want to specify how many digits you need, you can specify the number of digits for this. I am going to give 5 digits for number. Okay, after that second field, second attribute name. Attribute and field are same. Okay, or column name also, you can say column name also. Name is a text value. Okay, I'm going to take the data type varchar. Varchar means varying character. I will explain you about varchar later in another class. You just remember it that it is a varying character data type. How many characters you need for the name? I am just taking 20 characters for a name. Okay, after that you want to give address.
It's my first time seeing this.
Is it fine?
Yes, my first time.
No problem. Address is also varchar. It is, I'm taking varchar 30. Okay, you must also have to remember that after each attribute description you have to specify the comma. Okay, after address there is city. If you want to add a city attribute, you can write where city varchar 10. Okay, if you want to add any more attribute, you can add it. Okay, now I'm going to execute it. I'm going to execute it.
Yes.
It is recorded. I have already recorded this video.
Yeah, no problem. I just want.
Okay. Run it. Table created. Now the table is created. Now what you have to do is you have to see that how many tables are there. What is there? Okay. Now I am going to remove this query and going to execute the same command. Select star from user underscore tables. Now see the result. Person table, table namespace, it is users, it is valid, percentage free, and all the information about this table is given here. Got it? And suppose that if you want to see that what is there in this table, actually it is blank. We have not inserted any record in this table. How we can insert it? That is a different case. Firstly, we have seen what is there in this table. Select star from person. Star means all fields of person.
Yes.
Okay. Now I am going to run this query. Look at here, no data. Nothing is there in the person table.
Okay. So I want to understand.